Hi everyone, my name is Logovi'i Tupa'i, full name Logovi'i Tupa'i, and I'm one half of a group called Adeaze.
Alright.
There was a lot of things that were happening in my life back then, being a musician, touring and just enjoying that life, and also being unhealthy for us musos, and you're always on the go. It's always fast food, it's always whatever's there, because you do gigs late, whether they're in the clubs and stuff, man. So it's everything fried or a whole lot of fast food, so that takes its toll. And back then it was the drugs and the alcohol as well, yeah, that I was just kind of shackled to as well. This is my first time laying out some of my past addictions, but I was pretty much sitting at 159 kgs, probably more. That was the last time I weighed myself, because I didn't want to see the scale tip over 160. Back then, during that time, that was a secret life that I kind of lived as well. And I came off a tour, 3 months, and the first thing I did was, man, I just crashed out, crashed out for a few days, really, in and out of my sleep. And my oldest daughter, Jade, was trying to wake me up, but my body was so tired, tired of that lifestyle, tired of gigging, of everything. And that night, something happened, something spoke into my heart. That night, about 12 years ago. And I just remember breaking down. That night was the game changer for me. That night I made a covenant to the Lord. I just said, oh man, I'm sick of everything. And that night I didn't tell my wife or but I made a covenant in my heart to the Lord that I want to lead my family well.
First off, I don't give a what, swag at the utmost, swinging like a nunchuck, turning tough thugs, love bugs, better call a truce, gorillas on the loose, goose, better duck.
I think the training has always been a safe haven for me. Like everything that I go through in life, or with music, or even relationships, with people, or in my marriage, or anything, when you train, that's that time you get to go to war with your mind. You get to let everything out. You get to die wild to your flesh, And for me and my wife and my kids, we're still not at our goal weight or anything. Like, I've always encouraged my wife and also our family to enjoy the journey. Look, I could sit here 117 kgs from 159 or plus, and then come next year I could put on, but I'm still gonna train. I'm still gonna go to war and be happy and try and be a real example for my wife and my kids. The journey continues.